Okay, before today's video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys go over to enchantedgrow.com, there's a huge catalog of everything plant related. Everything from air plants, house plants, carnivorous plants, to freshwater aquatics. Also, you will get 10% off your first order just by typing in your email. Over here, as you can see, if we go over to the house plant catalog, there's a huge selection to choose from. We ship one of the highest quality plants and we ensure customer satisfaction. We'll have a 100% live arrival guaranteed on all our orders. If there's any problem with your order, go ahead and send it over and our customer service team will help you go ahead and resolve any request. Go ahead and enjoy today's video and comment down below if you guys have any other suggestions or any other videos you guys would like to see. Now enjoy today's video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to propagate your own purple waffle plant right over here. These under highlight give you nice purple leaves underneath. Right now for this one, I just have it with not as strong light. This so can kind of get used to the new environment. But usually with these guys, give it some highlight, it'll give it nice purple leaves. Let me show you guys how to propagate these. So as you can see, usually when you propagate them, you want to propagate at the stem. It's almost like that. These you probably can't leaf propagate, and most likely the best way is to send out some shooters, some runners on the side. Go ahead and get those and then you'll be good. So let me show you guys. First thing is you guys want to loosen up your media. So right here, you loosen it up, and the easiest way is just to twist, grab your plant, kind of wiggle it out just like that. You see how it's completely out. Okay, second thing is you want to go ahead and kind of massage the soil and make sure you loosen all of that up, and make sure you get it nice and loosened up so it's easier to work with. Okay, just like that. So you can see it's already kind of falling apart. What's keeping all three of these intact, just like that. What's keeping it intact is the roots. So as you break apart and loosen it up, the roots will slowly find its way out of the little knots that it has tied, just like that. I don't even have to pull it. This gentle tug will do. See how it's coming off already? Tug, and don't be afraid to break some of the and don't be afraid to break away some of the micro roots. They will grow back just fine. Just try to keep, for the most part, most of the roots intact, just like that. Now you have your plant right over here, and usually when propagating, you will know when it's ready, when it starts sending out shooters from down here. It's going to start growing little baby plants down the sides, and you can just go and propagate just like how I just did right here. So you guys want to go ahead and grab your pot, come over here, get a nice, grab your pot, and then first toss in the roots. Make sure the roots reach the bottom right over here. After it reaches the bottom, grab a handful of your soil, make sure it's nice and loose, and you want to go ahead and just toss it in there. Pretty simple. Grab it and kind of just toss it in there. As you can see, this way we can make sure the plant is properly secured inside of its little growing media. And try not to bury too much of the stem, kind of just where it was in the original pot, because sometimes that could cause a little bit of rotting. So as you can see right over here, we have it just around the same height as it was before. Want to do here is mainly just make sure we completely cover this, add a lot more dirt, trying to really fill the spaces so the plant won't move around on its own. And slowly compact it, spin it with our fingers, and push it down just like that. You got your purple waffle plant propagated. And good thing is, right over here in that plant plot, we had 3 shooters, so now we still have 2 more we could do it. So just from that one plant, you could get multiple of these, and that's how you propagate these. So that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and check out my other propagations. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Go check out the shop. You guys can go ahead and get these plants for yourselves, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks for watching.